Changes in the money market can affect the interest rate because of interplay between the demand for and supply of money. Also, changes in the money market can ripple outward and bring about changes in the goods and services market. Like all markets, the money market has two sides, a demand side and a supply side. Let's learn first about demand side of the money market. An illustration of the demand for a good puts the price of the good on the vertical axis and the quantity of the good on the horizontal axis. Accordingly, an illustration of the demand for money puts the price of holding money balances on the vertical axis and the quantity of money on the horizontal axis. What is the price of holding money balances? The price of holding money balances, specifically the opportunity cost of holding money, is the interest rate. Money is one of the many forms in which individuals may hold their wealth. By holding money, individuals forfeit the opportunity to hold that portion of their wealth in other forms. For example, the person who holds $1,000 in cash gives up the opportunity to purchase a $1,000 financial asset that yields interest, for example, a bond. Thus, the interest rate is the opportunity cost of holding money. One pays the price of forfeited interest by holding money. Exhibit illustrates the demand for money, that is, money balances. As the interest rate increases, the opportunity cost of holding money increases and individuals choose to hold less money. As the interest rate decreases, the opportunity cost of holding money decreases and individuals choose to hold more money. Let's now look at the supply of money. While demand of money is influenced by the interest rates and psychology of consumers, the supply is largely controlled by the central banker of the economy. He controls the economy by considering the demand patterns and the monetary stance taken by the central banker about the near future. Generally, central banker decides what should be the supply of money in the economy and then modulates the interest rates prevailing in the economy in response to the monetary stance. So, typically, it is a vertical line at a quantity mark that the central banker decides at various times over a year. After demand and supply, the next thing to know is equilibrium in the money market. The money market is in equilibrium when the quantity demanded of money equals the quantity supplied. In the exhibit, equilibrium exists at the interest rate, that is I1. At a higher interest rate, I2, the quantity supplied of money is greater than the quantity demanded and there is an excess supply of money, that is too much money. Excess supply of money in the market will drive down the interest rate and brings the market back to equilibrium interest rate. At a lower interest rate, I3, the quantity demanded of money is greater than the quantity supplied and there is an excess demand for money, that is too little money. Excess demand of money will push interest rate up and will bring the market back to equilibrium interest rate. Only at I1 or the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied of money equal. At I1, there are no shortages or surpluses of money and no excess demands or excess supplies. Individuals are holding the amounts of money they want to hold.